Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to add images and media to your WordPress post. So you can see this is my admin dashboard. Let's create a post. So for example, I will put a title which is TOT and paste some description. Here you can see there is a add block button. Click on this and then click on image and then click on upload and then select the image and then click on the open. You can resize the images and then click on the publish. So let's check it on the website. So you can see the post information and image have been uploaded. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.